Hey guys, it's the Cardboard Lord again. Today I'm making Play-Doh. Now this is not a normal video for me. And no, I'm not trying to turn into 5-minute crafts. I will go back to doing cardboard and foam board stuff. Anyway, let's get started. First I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Now add 3/4 cup of salt and then 4 teaspoons cream of tartar. Now mix the 3 together. Now add 2 tablespoons of canola or vegetable oil. Now 2 cups of water. You can add food coloring if you want. I did blue for this. Go ahead and mix it all up. Pour it into a pan and put your stove on about a medium setting. Constantly stir this until it starts to seem like a Play-Doh consistency. Let it cool down and you're all done. You may have to give your pan a little scrubbing, but it shouldn't take any longer than 5 minutes. Remember to put it in a sealable bag or container so it doesn't dry up. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any cool videos. Thanks and bye.